In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an outbound call in Salesforce using the Dialpad CTI integration. We're going to walk through the full process inside Google Chrome, from signing into Salesforce to placing a call directly from a lead or contact record. This is a simple workflow, but knowing exactly where to click and what to expect can make it much smoother, especially if you're using the integration for the first time. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to Salesforce. Make sure you're using the correct Salesforce environment and that the page fully loads before moving on. Since Dialpad runs inside the browser as part of your Salesforce workspace, it's important to stay in Chrome for the best experience. If your headset is already connected, that's even better because it will be ready once the call starts. After you're logged in, look for the Dialpad CTI Lightning component in the Salesforce utility bar. This is typically located along the bottom of the screen. Open it so the Dialpad panel becomes visible. This is where the integrated calling experience lives, and having it open confirms that the soft phone is available and ready to use within Salesforce. Next, navigate to a lead or contact record page. You can use search, recent records, or any list view you normally work from. Once you open the record, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct person's profile and that the phone number shown is the one you want to dial. This helps avoid misdials and keeps your workflow accurate. When you're ready, find the phone number field on the lead or contact record and click the phone icon next to it. This is the click to call action. As soon as you click it, Dialpad will initiate the outbound call directly within the browser window. You won't need to manually type the number, which saves time and reduces the chance of calling the wrong contact. Once the call begins, speak through your headset as you normally would. Your audio will be handled through Dialpad in the browser, so make sure your microphone is active and your headset is selected properly if needed. If there's a brief delay before audio connects, that can be normal, so give it a second before starting your greeting. That's it. You've successfully launched Dialpad from Salesforce and placed an outbound call using click to call. With just a few clicks, you can move from a customer record to a live conversation without leaving Salesforce.